Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about how to print to a sharp copier with staple and hole punch options on a macOS computer. In this case, this computer is running macOS 15.4, which is the Sequoia version of the operating system. So first things first, we need to tell this computer that this print driver has a finisher that allows for hole punch and stapling. So we're going to do that in system settings. So open system settings, find your printer. In this case, it's a color copier. We're going to our options, and on our output options, we are going to choose finisher with a 3-hole punch. Let's look at that a little slower. Press the spacebar to pause to make this even slower if that is helpful for you. It is here we're going to choose option and supplies. In our options menu in this window, we will choose the finisher option for output tray. So output tray option is going to be finisher. That's important. And then your punch module is going to be 3-hole punch. Punch module, 3-hole punch. Okay, once that's done, you are ready for your first test print because we have told the computer that this printer, which is a copier, has a finishing option. This is where you can ask the person who manages the printer if it does, but in this case I can see that it has the stapler feature there because I can see how many staples have been run through it, or you could go to the machine itself and just ask people where it's located if it works like that. All right, now let's do a test print. In this case we're using preview to view this PDF, which has been downloaded from a web application. We've gone to our file print menu using Command P, or you can click File and Print. Now we've selected our printer, sharp color copier. We're choosing our range, going double-sided, gonna save some paper here, and choosing 2 copies. But we're only gonna do pages 1 to 4, so we don't need to, print 73 pages for our test. Under Printer Features, we will choose our staple option. And now it's going to say, hey, you got to choose an output tray that works with this. So it's not the feature set, it's the finishing tray. So there's 2 options here. I'm going to choose with the first one in the index for my test and see how it works. We'll also throw the 3-hole punch in there because I'm feeling a little punchy. Why not? Click OK. And now we're going to click print. So let's just look at that one more time. We're choosing a staple, but we see our output option for a tray. Is it center tray? Doesn't like that. It's not a feature set, it's an output option. So we choose the finisher tray / finisher, click OK after we set our options. So binding edge is left, staple is 1, hole punch is there. We should be good to go here. We are just going to look through our options one more time, make sure everything's good, click print, and now we will go see it as spooled. It's there. We've picked it up. We can see these 3 beautiful hole punches on both copies, and there are our staples. This has been a very successful process. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We will see you around.